Hey, girl. What'd you do today?
Okay, I'm crying.
You were crying?
I'm going to eat that.
How come you were crying? Did you go see Santa?
Yeah. I saw Santa.
You saw Santa?
I saw Santa. I cried.
You cried when you saw Santa. Did you sit on his lap?
No, I'm scared.
You were scared?
Scared. Remember?
Remember?
Put shoes on. Put shoes on.
Yeah, you had to put shoes on to go see Santa, and you sat on Santa's lap and took a picture?
I cried.
And you cried. Why did you cry?
I cried.
Were you scared?
Yeah.
Why?
Why?
Why were you so scared?
Scared.
Livy, can you go sit by Sissy?
Scared. I'm scared.
How come you were so scared, Livy?
I'm just scared.
How come you were so scared?
Isa. It was scared. Isa.